How to use Magic Grab to see the magic of AI once again. Magic Grab, as the name suggests, it is going to grab something from your image. Let's find out how. So once again, we'll be using the same set of images that we just used. So from this image, let's say I want to use Magic Grab. Again, it's a pro feature, so be very careful about it. If you do not see this as an option or active as an option, it's because you're not a Canva Pro user. I click on Magic Grab. I have the option of a click and I have the option of a brush. I use the brush and I say that I want to grab the dog from this image. I keep the brush size to 20 and very carefully I take his legs and I say grab, and the Canva magic is happening. You would see the slider on the left. It suggests how much progress has been made and we are close to getting done. And here we have the dog. Do you see this? So the dog is grabbed out and it is so amazing. See, there's no row, nothing, and the dog has been grabbed perfectly from this image out to here. Let's grab. Okay, with this ice cream image, I want to grab the ice cream this time. It did not work with Magic Eraser, but let's see if it works with Magic Grab. Will the click feature work here? Let's find out what's going on here. Okay, come back to this image, click on edit image, click on Magic Grab. Yeah, here we have it. It's loading. Now Canva did a detection of all the things that it can grab. So you see, since I have clicked the option click, it automatically detects what are the things that it can grab. It can remove the hand, it can grab the ice cream scoop, or yeah, these are the two things that it can grab automatically. And if you can use the brush feature if you want to grab something else, but let's use the click feature this time and grab the scoop. Grab it. The magic is happening. It's almost 50% done, 70% done, 80, 90, and we are 100% done. It's taking a while. Awesome. So here we have the ice cream scoop grabbed, and it automatically also shows the napkin over here on the top. This might not be perfect, but the grab is perfect. Here, what do I want to grab? Let's select this one. Click on Magic Grab once again. And now Canva is detecting what are the things it can grab automatically without using the brush tool. Yes, it has done that. Now, if you see, if I bring the mouse, I can grab her, I can grab her, and I can grab her, but not her phone. Let's find it out. And we click on grab. You see the phone is not highlighted here. That means the phone is not going to get grabbed from this image. And the bag as well. Okay, no, the phone got grabbed, but not a bag. That's interesting and extremely useful, isn't it? In a lot of images, we want people to be grabbed. From this image, I might want myself to be grabbed, or from this image, I might want Eiffel Tower to be grabbed. And I can do it all using the Canva Magic Studio Magic Grab feature. Found interesting? Let's continue with the next one.